Welcome to Max's Garage Mahal, and just thought I'd make a real quick video, don't know how quick, for all you real smart folk out there that's got a dirt bike that is not an off-road bike and it doesn't have a kickstand. So you got to have one of them lean-to stands, and I don't have one of those, so I'm going to build me one. Now I done got started, and I'm going to tell you how I did it, how the start started. I took me a piece of 1/2 inch rebar, which I'll show you here in a moment, and I poked it into the axle, rear axle tube, and I poked it in about that far, and I marked it. Then I took that rebar and I bent it about like that. That's about the angle I want right there, about like your finger. So I've done that, and I'm going to show that to you. Now I'm going to bend, and I'm going to make a triangle like a dinner bell, because that's really what this is a dinner bell. And when we're not using it for holding a motorcycle up, we're going to use it as a dinner bell. What y'all think about that? So let's take a look down here. Alright, here we go. I'm going to bend that thing down there a little bit. Let's see if we can't zoom you in. And let's see if you can see what I've already done here. Wherever the end of that sucker is. Right there. Okay, there's your bend, your first bend right there. And like I said, I don't know what that is. It looks like about 30 degrees, something like that. It really don't matter. All you want to do is just make sure it holds your scooter up. Okay, so now we're going to come back here from this bend 15 inches. 15 inches for this particular motorcycle. I probably ought to make it 14.5 so it'll fit other motorcycles, but I ain't got that much sense, so I'm going to just go ahead and make it 15 inches. Alright, tell you what, let's take your advice and make it 14.5. Alright, there's 14.5. Now, I don't have my striker with me, so I'm going to show you how to start a torch here without a striker or match or a Bic lighter or something like that. I'm going to turn me on a little gas, and I'm going to use a torch to light a torch. What do y'all think about that? I'm going to put that way over there out of the way. That'll give me a little more fuel here. Now I'm going to heat this sucker up. I guess my camera slipped and you can't see what I'm doing, can you? Alright. Leave it right there, tighten that camera up. Get it good hot again. Alright, let's see if you can see what I've done here, because Mr. Cameraman ain't too good, and I should probably zoom out so you can see more of it. Now then, what I've got to do is come back over here, bend this back up, cut it off, so I can weld that to this point. So bear with me for a second, and I will get the camera a little closer for you. Okay, so here's what's going to take place. This angle right here is going to go into the axle tube, and if, let's say, that was level, then that would be at an angle out away from the bike to let the bike lean into it. So now we're going to come down from this point down here and make this same angle back up to right about there, which I'm right in the bottom of that angle, and I'm going to weld that back on there, and you'll be in business, and all you got to do then is insert it into the bike. Bear with me, we're going to have to reset here. Now we're going to light the torch with the torch again. So here we go, we got a little gas in, got a little oxygen in. That way you get a good clean light. Alrighty, here we go. Okay, now we start here, we bent the angle out, and it's just no particular angle, we just the one we liked. We come up here and we bent this, and that's no particular angle, we just found what we liked, and we did the same thing here. Went back up to this point where this will intersect that. We'll cut this off right here at an angle, move it up there and take it in and weld it. Alright, so hang on a minute, we'll get to that point, be right back. Okay, there she is on the bike. That's the attitude it's going to take right there. And I'm going to show you that it works. So, I know you're going to say, well, it's sitting on that stand. Nope. You just think it is. Check this out. Totally clear the stand right there. But watch this. Okay. Come around here, and we'll pick it up over this way. As you can see, it's totally clear of the stand. See there? Alright, now watch this. Going to come right over there. I'm not going to take the camera off the machine. And we're going to put it right down there. And there it is. I wouldn't let go of it if I didn't think it was going to hold that bike, because I got a lot of brand new parts on that bike right there. Okay, just one more shot. There it is. Stand there on the stand. There's the lift stand. It's out of the way. We got it setting at as much angle as we can get by cranking the handlebars to the left. So there you go, boys and girls. It works perfect. If you need one of them, you got some rebar and a torch. You can heat it. You don't have to weld it. Doesn't hurt. And that'll take care of you. Alrighty. So, as we always say here at Max's Garage Mahal, appreciate you coming by. Hope you got something out of this. If you did, please subscribe. Hit that like button. There are lots of like buttons. And share. And thank you once again. Y'all come back see us now, you hear? Thank you for watching.
Tell me true, what